People all over the world trust the test mark as a symbol of quality. This makes the test mark a quality mark for our products. The tire test mark issued by TÜV Süd not only certifies that the product has successfully passed the test prescribed by law, but also a special test program. This gives a product a unique competitive edge. Trust in the sign and follow us with TÜV Süd tire test mark. What is behind the TÜV tire test mark? We are pleased to present you the essential details about tire test mark in the following video.
Welcome at TÜV Süd Product Service. My name is Michael Stamm. I'm working in this company as a project manager and tire testing engineer since already 10 years. I'm happy to introduce you our product TÜV Tire Test Mark. Today you will learn about all the details and what's really behind.
TÜV Süd Product Service is a worldwide acting organization. Since about 150 years, we are testing all kinds of goods to ensure the safety to the end consumer. The slogan of our company is protecting people, environment and property against the adverse effects of technology. Our testing department works closely together with the European Commission and German Department of Transportation. Our customers are tire, rim and car manufacturers from all around the world. Increasing tire performances are demanding frequently adapted testing procedures. These criteria are always following to the current state of the art of the automotive industry and to valid regulations. Each candidate tire has to pass certain performance levels in different driving and rig tests. The four relevant categories are safety and handling properties, environmental properties, operating safety, manufacturing quality. The target is to determine an overall performance that is representing the good average of the corresponding tire class in the European market, comparable with tires that are titled between recommendable and satisfactory in European automotive magazines. A tire carrying the TÜV tire test mark represents safety and tested quality to the customer. The mark is a solid sign of confidence to the market.
Hi, I am Klaus Baltuschat and I am the Senior Account Manager of the Tire and Wheels Department of TÜV Süd Product Service. Quality in terms of automotive industry means customer safety given by driving behavior, tire robustness, environmental compatibility and stable quality of production. Quality is an equivalent for safety on our roads. Quality is not always given by the purchase price or brand name. This means summarized, the customer shall return and not the product. And how we are testing quality, I will show you at our test benches. Here we can see the test bench for rolling resistance tests. This machine belongs to the European Reference Network because TÜV Süd Product Service plays an important role as reference laboratory for the European Commission. The rolling resistance is an indicator of the impact of the tire concerning the total fuel consumption. Lower rolling resistance means less fuel consumption. Tests are executed according to international and European regulations. Here we can find the robustness test called High-Speed Test Advanced. Here the test tires have to pass a standard test as used for the tire homologation. In addition, a special stress test will follow, given by 2 degrees of camber angle. This means the test tire is rolling inclined on the test bench at a high load and maximum speed, according to the speed index. This test is also representing one of the OE requirements of a tire to be adequate for certain car manufacturers.
Each candidate tire that shall qualify for the TÜV tire test mark has to pass the shown rig tests and the tire rolling noise test. Another important part are road performance tests in order to verify the safety abilities on wet and dry road conditions. Only special and rare proving grounds are good enough for the TÜV tire test mark. Our team of engineers and mechanics are specially trained for tire testing. All drive tests are symbolizing dangerous or emergency situations that may happen during regular driving in public traffic. Each test has a certain weighting factor according to the importance of the test. For example, the critical wet braking test counts higher than the tire rolling noise test. Some examples for the drive tests are aquaplaning resistance, for example, heavy rain and water-filled lane grooves on the road, wet braking distance, for example, emergency stop on wet and slippery road, and cornering safety, for example, grip level when driving into a turn on wet and slippery road. Brake-in and handling abilities on dry roads are also tested. Beside these tests, Winter Tyres will travel with us to special proving grounds in Sweden, where we are performing comparative drive tests on snow surface.
All relevant requirements will be covered to determine an overview regarding the total performance of the test sample. Each candidate tire will be compared to 3 different, well-known and representative tire brands in the same dimension. These tires are independently purchased by TÜV Süd on the free market at different tire dealers. The decision of these 3 reference collective brands is taken by TÜV Süd Product Service based on a frequent updated tire test database. Only a tire with a final result that is better or even than the average of this competitor collective will pass the tire test mark. Only well-developed tires will pass the tests because the total performance and each single tested criterion needs to be fulfilled at certain performance levels. We are guaranteeing to treat each customer the same way, as there is only one test procedure valid for all passenger car tires. The TÜV tire test mark represents safe quality confirmed by Europe's biggest independent tire test laboratory.